Assalamu alaikum, hello and namaste. Welcome to another inspiring episode of The Limelight. I'm your host Fareen here, and today is a 111 episode, and we have in the hot seat a very calm and cool personality. He is a graphotherapy specialist and also the director of Toshniwal Cable Private Limited. So, listeners, please welcome our guest Naveen Toshniwal. Hello, Naveen.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. So, Naveen, before we talk about the work you do, just tell our listeners about yourself.
Actually, I am born and brought up in Calcutta city. I did my engineering from a well-known institute, Jadavpur University. Thereafter, I joined my family business. We are into manufacture of industrial cables. Uh, about 25 years back, I shifted to Jaipur in Rajasthan, and since then, I am continuing my business here. And this graphotherapy was actually started more like a passion while I was studying in college. And slowly, this people, they started appreciating the analysis which I was doing. They used to say it's very accurate. So slowly, I started doing it more regularly in the free periods in the college days. And then thereafter, getting motivation from my friends and relatives, I started doing it professionally also. So this is my background.
That's really wonderful. So, now, can you explain what exactly is graphotherapy? Like, we know there is a kind of relationship between our handwriting and subconscious mind, but what exactly happens in that analysis and therapy?
Yeah. See, I'll first explain to you what is graphology, graphoanalysis, and graphotherapy. See, graphology is actually a basic science where two handwritings are compared, whether it belongs to the same person, and it is very widely used by the forensic department to identify whether two handwritings belong to the same person, to identify people if anyone has done a fraud or done anything wrong by forging signatures or anything. Graphoanalysis is analysis of character of persons through the strokes in the handwriting. So that is, as you said, it is related to the subconscious mind. Whatever is there in our handwriting, it comes out through our hand and through the pen on the paper. 2000 years back, there was a well known Greek scholar, Aristotle. He used to say that handwriting is actually mind writing. And this link between the handwriting and mind is very old. It is established since almost 2000 years. Now, graphotherapy is the most essential and important aspect, that how you can actually consciously change some strokes in your handwriting and just practice it 5 minutes a day, and you will get the desired changes in your personality within a short period of about 3 to 4 weeks' time. So, this graphotherapy is actually uh, consciously making efforts to make some small changes in your handwriting so that you are improving as a better person.
So, yes, I also got my handwriting analyzed from Naveen and got to know very interesting things again. Now, as a graphotherapist, there are a lot of challenges you might have faced. So, can you tell few of them?
It is a very interesting science, but unfortunately, the awareness in India is very less. People are aware of this science in advanced countries like America and even European countries, and people, in fact, corporates are using this tool, graphoanalysis, as a way to analyze the character of a person even before they interview them. So, this is one of the proven ways of essentially knowing a person in and out, even before the interviews are done by the corporates. So, the challenges which are coming here in India is that the awareness of the science is very less. People are aware that yes, there is a science called graphoanalysis where we can actually detect the character of a person, but very few people are aware that there is a therapy also which can be used for improving the personality. So people still need convincing, and they take some time to absorb the fact that the person can actually change by changing some strokes in the handwriting. So I hope that explains something.
Yeah, right. Okay, to tell you frankly, when I first checked your post, it was graphotherapy. I really didn't know what graphotherapy was. I had to check on Google what exactly it is, and then I was like, oh my god, it's very interesting because the name grapho, it relates with, it gives in our mind something like graphs in mathematics. So it related me to some mathematical stuff. But then when I dig deep in Google and then searched it out, it's something about handwriting. So yes, people are not aware of this science, which really, it's proven and been working from so many thousands of years, and people have to be educated about this kind of therapy. And what you're doing is really amazing. As you said, 3 to 4 weeks of time, just I think by dedicating 5 minutes every day to write, and then you will see changes within 3 to 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, that's right. See, because actually, practically speaking, we hardly write these days. In fact,
True.
most of us are on laptop and on text, and we are all on computers. We hardly get opportunity to write. Of course, students do get opportunity to write, but after that, after student life, it's hardly we get opportunity. So that is the reason I say that just writing 5 minutes a day is sufficient to bring the desired changes in yourself. So if you are really serious about self improvement, it is the best way to come out of your negative traits and even utilize your positive traits in a better way with no side effects.
Right, right. Now, when you say you give someone to write something, is it writing some paragraph from newspaper, or you will give like a set of something to write which is specialized in changing our, subconscious traits?
No, for analysis, for getting analysis, for doing the analysis of someone, what I require is one full page of handwriting,
Mm-hmm.
uh, but it has to be in ABCD form. See, let me
Okay.
tell you, analysis of character is possible in any language you write. It can be English, Hindi, or Persian, German, any language. But my knowledge is limited to analysis in the letters ABCD. So what I require is one page of handwriting on a plain sheet. The ruling should not be there for accurate analysis. It should be a plain page. And thereafter, once I get the handwriting, then I can do the analysis based on that. And see, let me clarify one thing. There are
Mm-hmm.
people who say that uh, we can analyze your character through the signature. Somehow
Okay.
I feel that this is not 100% correct, because in a signature, what we get is only a few letters.
Mm-hmm.
So practically, it is very difficult to judge the personality of a person through just a few letters. It is the repetition of the strokes in the handwriting which actually define the characteristic of a person. How many strokes is repeated how many times in the handwriting, that has got a big value. So analysis of signature practically does not have any meaning according to me. It is the entire handwriting which plays an important role.
Right, right. True. I mean, I also heard there are people who just see the signature and that means that might not be like, authentic, right?
Yeah, see, my knowledge is, at least I am not aware how to analyze a signature. Practically,
Oh.
if you think, it is not logical also.
So now, after all these serious answers and questions, I will be asking you three random fun questions which you can answer in one word or a sentence, okay?
Okay.
So, my first question is, whose handwriting are you really curious to read? Like maybe there is one person whose handwriting you want to analyze and read about.
Yeah, maybe Donald Trump. In fact, I was sent his handwriting by a news agency in India, and I did the
Wow.
analysis, and it was published also in one of the channels here.
Ah, that's interesting. Do send me the link.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question is your favorite movie.
So anything to do with action, I like to see.
Okay. Nice. Now, last question, which was your first car? Yes.
First car was a Maruti 800, the old version, 1986
Nice.
model.
Nice, nice. Okay, that was the end of the rapid fire round. Your answers were interesting. Thank you. Okay, now we have the last segment where we ask your advice for our listeners.
Okay, see, first of all, let me tell you that this grapho analysis and graphotherapy is something which is not done in general, and a common stroke change applies to everyone, because every person is unique. That is the reason no one, no two people in the world can have the same handwriting, because every person is unique. So the handwritings are also unique. So lot of people come to me and suggest to me that, tell me in fact, that please suggest some changes in the handwriting which will actually help. So logically and practically, this does not have any meaning, because if someone has some characteristics which are required to be changed, the other person may not have the same characteristics which are to be changed. So there is no general therapy or correction to be made in the handwriting. It is always one to one and on individual basis, depending on what personality, overall personality, has been assessed of that particular person through the handwriting. I'll just give you a specific example. Normally, we will say that willpower is a positive trait. But if this willpower in a particular handwriting is clubbed up with other traits, like, say, a dominating personality, a person who has got lot of grievance, lot of resentment, and extreme short temper and dominating, if we increase the willpower of that person, or tell them the stroke to increase the willpower, don't you think it will go in a negative direction? Because that person already has many negative traits. So it cannot be generalized. It is always individualistic and on one to one basis.
Okay, right. Well, that was, I think, good advice for whoever wants to have their handwriting checked and, analyzed and improve. As you said, nothing is common because everybody is unique and their handwriting is unique. So they have to have this one to one session only. Well, listeners, thank you so much for giving us your precious time. And I will give all the details how you can connect with Naveen. And yes, thank you all and have a great evening. Good night. Bye bye.